Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Teams in your desktop. So first of all, you guys need to open up any kind of browser like Google Chrome, and then you guys need to search for Microsoft Teams download. Okay, and just wait, and here you can see there are lots of links and it's about Microsoft Teams, right? So in the second link here you can see the MS Teams the link. Okay, so now you need to click on that. Now it's showing the first landing page of Microsoft Teams. It's showing to signing up or signing in. Okay guys, so now what you need to do, simply click on download Teams. Okay, so whenever you click on that, you will be able to see two buttons. One is for download for desktop and another is for mobile, right? So you need to click on download for desktop, as we are going to use it in desktop. Alright guys, so now click on download Teams. Okay, and wait for some seconds. It will automatically start or boot up your download now. Okay guys, so you guys need to wait for few minutes because it depends the time of download according to your internet speed. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, it's successfully downloaded, and what you need to do, simply just double click on the installation file and your installation will be started automatically. You just don't need to do anything. You just need to wait for a few minutes or seconds until the dialog box of installation is shown, right guys? So wait for a few seconds. Here you can see our file is successfully installed, and it's saying for wait just a moment, and it will you have to log in using your Microsoft account. You need a Microsoft account to log in Microsoft Teams, guys. So here you can see that your Microsoft Team is being opened and it's successfully installed, and here you can see it's saying to setting up your Microsoft Teams profile, and from now you can start chatting and do whatever you want to do in Microsoft Team. Okay guys, so I hope you guys understand how you can download and install this app. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 Minute Solution.